Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a Valentine's Stitched Heart nail, or like a Frankenstein nail. We're going to start with 2 coats of a white gel polish, cure those, and then we're going to go in with a bright pink and a pale purple. So you're going to section this off. So you're going to do a square. Oh my lord, did you see that drip? I'm going to do a square of the bright pink, and then section off a square on the other side at the bottom of the light purple, so it looks like patchwork quilt. There you go. It looks like a patchwork quilt rather than Frankenstein. It's meant to be Halloween. It's meant to be Valentine's, not Halloween. Oh, good lord. So once we've done that, you want to do 2 coats and obviously cure between those coats, and then we will do our heart. You want to choose the biggest dotting tool that you have. It's the easiest way to do a heart. In with a red gel polish, and we're going to do our heart. So same as normal. You want to do your 2 dots as if you're doing some cherries, and then join them in the middle into a heart shape is the best way to describe it. You can see what I'm doing most of the time when I don't go out of frame. So once you've done your heart, it's obviously in the middle of the nail, and pop that in the lamp to cure. Once that's cured, grab yourself some black gel polish, or you could use a Sharpie if that is easier for you, and we're going to do the stitches. I'm using gel polish and a striping brush, and just roughly some little lines to represent the stitches, just to around the heart and around the main colours. I didn't do it all around all the bits because I thought it would be too much. You'll see what I mean in a second. So once those stitches are drawn in place, pop that into the lamp to cure for its designated time, or if you're using a Sharpie, then allow that Sharpie to dry before you go in with a top coat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all later.